Hey, you're here with Mrs. Bab. I'm going to talk today about the Alternative Individual Project, EOS Review Projects. This stands for End of Semester. This is an alternative project for those who may be sitting at home on quarantine or those who just came back from quarantine and you haven't had those extra days. We started working on our end of semester project in groups back on Friday. So if you're one of these people who are doing the alternative individual project, this is the introduction you need. So if I click on the introduction, I see that this is the end of semester review assignments. There's this one-page introduction, which I'm going to go to now because it kind of puts the directions all on one page for you. If you're in class, you can pick up this paper copy. If you're at home, either print it out or use this paper copy or the e-copy here. So we have 3 different levels of activities here. The easiest being level 1. The ones that are going to take longer is this level 3. We need to combine enough activities to get to 80 points. We need to cover all 3 units. We have the universe, the solar system, and plate tectonics. And as we can see, level 1 activities are only worth 10 points. They shouldn't take very much time. Level 2 activities are a little bit more complicated. They're going to take a little bit more time, so they're 20 points. And level 3, they're the ones that are going to take more time. And so that being said, they are worth 30 points. Okay, and then of course all these links aren't going to be usable on this page because they're screenshots from the actual slideshow. So you will also get the choice board organizer. You see this here, and this is the paper copy that you can pick up in class. It is also over here. This one I just need to update a little bit, so don't worry about it. That is not the same as what you see over here. It will be updated very shortly, as soon as I'm done with this video. So if I come and I look, and let's take a closer look at each level. So on level 1, I can see I can do a crossword puzzle, I can do a color by number, I can make a meme, I can do a Quizlet or a Kahoot. I can do it over the universe, the solar system, or plate tectonics. If I want to get more directions, I click on directions. It's going to tell me what I have to do. I have to have 10 questions. I have to have an answer key. I have to be able to print it out and turn it in. And here's my website so I can do this. If you're at home and you're going to be on quarantine for a while, let me know. We can work something out if we can't get it printed out for you. If that's something you choose. Level 2 activities. Again, if you're not sure what something is, simply click on it, read the directions. Is this really something I want to do? Or, does this sound easy or not easy, depending on if you're here or you're not here. We can adjust the due dates, especially for those who are at home on quarantine. And lastly, the level 3. The concept map, I think, is probably one of the easier ones here. And maybe making a model or diorama, depending on what your model is. Go and click on these things and ask me if, especially if you're in the classroom, if you're not sure what to do, let me know. And, these are things that we can work on. If you're not at home, if you're on quarantine, send me notes. Send me messages on Schoology. That way, I know that you're struggling and we can figure out what you need. And that is the end of my 5-minute video. Talk to you later, guys.